am literally gobsmacked. Maybe we can see the dolphins even closer.
Look at that.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are currently on our way to Angel's Billabong.
We are.
Woohoo! Look at the road we're on.
So what is Angel's Billabong, Sabrina?
It's where you're on the side of the cliff, and I believe the waves crash into the side of it. So it can be quite dangerous. I think quite a few people might have injured themselves because the waves can just hit sporadically
And suck you in.
So we've been told to be careful. This is going really well today, so it's actually raining a lot, and we have a GoPro and drone and a film camera, so it's a bit of a sticky situation when it starts raining. We came to this shelter. Anthony was like, oh, should we be here? And then he walks across here and then it snaps
and I fall through the
falls through it. Luckily he hasn't. Oh, there's a mark. Just to go and check if it wasn't wet inside the compartment in the motorbike. Yeah, it's all part of it.
We're in Nusa Penida / Bali, so it could be bad.
It's all part of it.
Sabrina's filming us now. I'm filming Sabrina filming us now.
Filmception.
It's a yellow snail. We're off!
This is the reality. You have to wear a poncho sometimes. I mean, I'm glad we actually have one.
So guys, we're at Angel's Billabong, and we've also realised that Broken Beach is here as well, so we'll check that out.
Yeah, same spot. And how much was it for parking? It's just parking.
5,000, yeah, no entrance fee, nothing like that.
Fee, and it stopped raining, which is great.
And look how pretty it is around here.
What is an Angel's Billabong?
Well, just what's a Billabong?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Question of the day.
I just know the brand.
Yeah, I know the brand, but it must mean.
If anyone knows,
you know, let us know in the comments.
If you know what Billabong means, let us know in the comments, because I'm very interested. I don't think you can see it, guys, but there is dolphins there. Oh my god!
Where are they?
There. Look, you'll see them just come out briefly. And they've gone under now.
I am literally gobsmacked.
I know, you were like, is that a person? And then you were like, oh my god, it's a dolphin.
I can't believe we've spotted them.
So yeah, there you go. There's actually dolphins
Yeah, if you're lucky enough,
down here. Wow.
You get to see.
There's a few of them as well. It wasn't just the one. It was like a.
There's a few different warongs around here if you're peckish as well, and some nice little spots to take some pictures. Heart-shaped nest thingy. Oh, so that over there, I think we drove past there earlier. You can go up there, I think, which is Broken Beach over there. Yeah, I believe.
Broken Beach is the one with the hole in the middle, isn't it?
Yes. Right, let's go down. Maybe we can see the dolphins even closer. Wow. Yeah. Definitely be careful when you come here, guys. You do not want to fall over the edge. You will really hurt yourself.
I think obviously it sprays up when it's high tide, right?
Yeah, it isn't high tide.
Which is kind of cool, you get to see it like this.
This is lovely.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I like where we are. It's quite shady here, so you're not melting. It's like shards of rock.
I know, it looks insane, doesn't it? Oh, careful. I got you.
Yeah, just get the knee at the end.
Yeah. That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, we're all the way in here, aren't we? Whoa. Angel's Billabong. I believe the most famous bit is actually when the waves crash into the side of the cliff. But this is so cool. Obviously, this must fill completely up, and you don't normally see this when the tide's in.
I'd assume so.
Yeah.
Or it just looks a lot deeper and a lot more colourful. But
I wonder if anyone's actually swam
in here,
in this shallow bit before. I mean, it's a bit. I guess you could do it, but I would probably have those swimming shoes on, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it looks a bit rough, doesn't it?
Yeah. Anthony wanted to go walk over that bit, but it looks like you might get impaled. So let's just go back over to the normal spot. Oh, don't fall! Jeez! Made that look so easy, you do.
Huh?
Getting up here, but it's actually these rocks, the more white bits, they're actually really slippery. Wow. Oh, cool. Some more little picturesque spots here. So we're just walking around this area to Broken Beach, I believe. It must be up this way, right?
Ow, bloody hell.
Steady on. I think that's what that sign said.
What?
Careful where you walk. Don't know, I don't speak Indonesian, but maybe.
We found it. Look at that. Broken Beach.
Broken Beach.
Look how insane it looks.
It's a shame the sun's not out. The water would look kapow.
Really, kapow. Yeah, the water would look kapow.
Kapow.
Kapow. We were going to film on the drone, but as you can see, it's looking like it's going to chuck it down again. Don't plan any trips in the wet season, guys, because this is what happens. You get rained out.
We're on the edge.
It'd be sick to actually like go down there and be able to go on the beach.
Oh my god, I know.
Yeah, what do you think? Sick or not?
It's beautiful. It's so beautiful.
So loads of places to eat next to Broken Beach if you fancy it.
Yeah, oh, what's this spot like?
Oh.
Whoa! This is a good spot.
For any of you nutty Instagrammers, there you go. There's your spot.
There's that spot.
There's this side's a bit of the unappreciated side where you get to see the beach.
Of Broken Beach.
Yeah, which looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah, the sand looks lovely.
I would imagine that there are some tours that probably do take boats inside there.
Yeah,
but I mean, look at the
can...
rocks though as well. How?
I know. How do you even? Maybe they can just go. You can't. You have to
get
come
off,
in and then
yeah.
come out. Maybe. That'd be
Beautiful
so
though.
cool to do the like paddle boarding on
Down there, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to film on the drone. Oh, what is that?
Is that a fruit or something?
We're finding so many different things. To
Another
do,
one for the
aren't we?
comments. If you know what this thing is,
From this plant.
please let us know.
I'm gonna put it
What's it
behind
smell
my
like?
ear actually.
Wow, there's a big one there.
What are they? Yeah.
Don't know, weird.
One on my ear.
So guys, that's the end of this one. I hope you've enjoyed Broken Beach and also
Angel's Billabong.
Angel's Billabong. As we said, if you know what a billabong is, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, unfortunately it's not sunny. We weren't able to fly the drone. Maybe in the future we'll be able to come back and do that. Fingers crossed, maybe even tomorrow. We'll see, hopefully. So we are back at Angel's Billabong. And guess what? It's nice and sunny and we're gonna fly the drone. Woohoo! Beach now, flying the drones just over there. Look over the edge quickly just to show you because it's sunny now. Sunny today, I mean, because yesterday when we got to this park it got really grey and it started raining actually when we left. But here is Broken Beach. Looking beautiful. And obviously there is the archway, you can't really see from where I am. Oh, wow, you can bring a boat in here. That's the boat that we saw earlier. No way, I wonder if they can actually go onto the beach. I doubt it, to be fair. I think it probably just goes there. How epic. That's the end of the video, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Look at this before you go. Bye.
Bye.